Looking for protection against fire and burglary? Introducing the Combi-Line from Burg Wachter. Your valuables, documents and memories are well protected with independently certified burglary and fire protection. In the event of fire, paper documents are protected for at least half an hour. Security confirmed by these certification badges. The safe door is secured with strong round bolts paired with a double-walled body to ensure attack is difficult for burglars. Extra security is provided by the sliding bolt at the top of the door. An adjustable shelf ensures that everything is kept organized, whether files, valuables or your treasured memories. Need a lot of secure storage? Combi-Line is available in 4 sizes for securing your items both big and small. There's also a choice of 2 different certified locking systems. Either an armoured key lock with double-bit key, or even more convenient, the new electronic lock with graphic display and touch control panel. Certified to security level S2, you can store up to £4,000 in cash and £40,000 in valuables depending on your insurance policy. Combi-Line from Burg Wachter.